The development of modern military technology demands that countries possess strong and flexible naval forces. One symbol of this strength is an aircraft carrier or amphibious assault ship capable of carrying fighter jets, helicopters, combat vehicles, and large numbers of troops. Turkey is one of the countries that has successfully built the TGC Anadolu aircraft carrier. The TCG is the largest warship ever built by Turkey and represents a significant milestone in the development of the domestic defense industry. The ship is designed to support long-range military operations, amphibious operations, humanitarian assistance, and maritime territorial control. The construction process involves complex technical planning and technological development. Component production is carried out by various Turkish defense industry companies. The ship's steel is cut using high-precision machines and then welded into large panels. These panels are then assembled into giant blocks weighing hundreds of tons. Each block is equipped with various installations such as electrical systems, ventilation, and fuel piping. The assembly phase begins with the construction of the keel, or the backbone of the ship. The laying of the keel marks the beginning of the ship's main construction. Afterward, the large pre-manufactured blocks are lifted using giant cranes and gradually placed on the shipyard dock. One of the most critical parts of the TGC Anadolu is the flight deck. This deck is designed to operate various types of military aircraft and helicopters. The deck is constructed of special steel, capable of withstanding the heat of aircraft engines and the heavy loads during landing. Additionally, lighting systems, landing ramps, and aircraft elevators are installed. Once the main structure is completed, the next phase is the integration of the ship's technology systems. This phase includes the installation of various equipment such as radar and sensors, military communications systems, navigation systems, and air defense systems. Much of this technology was developed by Turkish defense companies such as Aselsan and Havelsan. System integration is a highly complex phase because all the devices must be interconnected through the ship's computer network. Each block must be placed with high precision to ensure the ship's structure remains straight and stable. Once the blocks are precisely positioned, workers perform permanent welding to join the parts. Additional frame structures are installed to ensure the ship can withstand seawater pressure and operational loads. The shipbuilding program is part of the Turkish Navy's modernization efforts. The project began in the mid-2010s with the aim of enhancing Turkey's expeditionary operations, capabilities, and power projection in the region. The ship was built at the Turkish company Sidef Shipbuilding, Inc.'s shipyard in Istanbul. The TGC Anadolu's design adopts the concept of a modern amphibious assault ship with a long flight deck and a curved ramp ski jump at the front. This ramp allows aircraft to take off quickly. Furthermore, the ship's internal design includes an aircraft hangar, armored vehicle bay, marine troop bay, and hospital facilities for humanitarian operations. The construction process for the TGC Anadolu aircraft carrier begins with the conceptual design stage. During this stage, engineers determine key aspects of the ship, such as its size, aircraft and helicopter capacity, propulsion system, and flight deck structure. After the assembly process is complete, the ship undergoes various technical tests. This stage is known as sea trials. These tests are conducted to ensure the proper functioning of all the ship's systems. Some of the tests conducted include maximum speed tests, sea stability tests, navigation system tests, helicopter operation tests, and combat system tests. If all tests are successful, the ship is then officially handed over to the Turkish Navy. The TGC Anadolu provides new capabilities for the Turkish Navy. The ship is capable of carrying hundreds of marines, combat vehicles, and various drones and helicopters. In addition to military operations, this ship is also designed to carry out humanitarian aid missions such as disaster evacuation and rescue operations. With its modern technology and multi-role capabilities, TGC Anadolu symbolizes the progress of Turkey's defense industry and strengthens the country's position in regional maritime security. The assembly process of the TGC Anadolu aircraft carrier is a highly complex technological project involving multiple stages, from design and component production to modular assembly and the integration of advanced electronic systems. The collaboration between the Turkish defense industry and international companies has enabled the creation of a modern warship, capable of carrying out a variety of military and humanitarian missions. The successful construction of this ship not only enhances Turkey's military strength, but also demonstrates the ability of the national shipbuilding industry to build large, high-tech warships. TGC Anadolu is proof that investment in research, technology, and the defense industry can generate significant strategic capabilities for a country.